And this is me Apple for another vlog guys. Ating vlog guys is natulog man si Palang, so let's go. Ato siyang pakuanon. Sa complete chicken. Ito yung tabi gagawin guys. Lang! Na-staggered lang! Okay guys, dito na lang magtatapos yung vlog guys is subscribe to my channel, comment down below na ganito ang plano guys, sira.